It's Sartre who gave the initial formula for modern existentialism, in which he uses the phrase being translated, existence precedes essence. And I think that really his thinking goes beyond this idea that not only is existence first in the order of knowing, which would simply put him in the same category of any empiricist, going all the way back to somebody like Heraclitus, who says you have becoming rather than being, and you have particulars rather than universals, and things of that sort. But really what Sartre is getting at is that existence, individual, concrete, human existence, precludes essence. There is no such thing as mankind. There's only men and women. There are no universals, only the particular concrete data of existence. And because there is no overarching universal truth, that means there is nothing to unify our understanding of reality. And in the final analysis, reality itself is absurd and irrational, and nothing really fits together in any meaningful way. So you have another form of nihilism following in the footsteps of Nietzsche in the thinking of Jean-Paul Sartre. Now, when he looks at human existence, he says that the defining trait or characteristic of a human being is subjectivity. That we are subjects, not objects. And the chief attribute of a subject is the subject's will, and specifically his free will. For without the power of choice, without the ability to make decisions for oneself, a person is not truly free. And if a person is not truly free, then that person is not human. He's not a subject, as it were. And so anything for Sartre that threatens the subjectivity of human existence has to go. And of course, the greatest threat to humanness that Sartre encountered in his thinking was theism in general and Judeo-Christianity in particular. Because one of the great tenets of Christian thought and Judeo-Christian thought is the sovereignty of God. And for Sartre, if God is sovereignty, if God is sovereign, truly sovereign, then man, in the final analysis, cannot be free. Because true freedom, according to Sartre, demands autonomy, that we be a law unto ourselves. The authentic existential person, just as it was with Nietzsche, is a person who rules himself. He is subject to the rule of no one or nothing else. And if there's anyone or anything that restricts to any degree the freedom of that individual, then true freedom has been lost. And so if man is truly free, God cannot exist.